Log into your cPanel account. Usually, the login URL is http://yourdomain.com/panel, where yourdomain.com is your website's domain name. Once you're logged in, locate the Files section and click on File Manager. A new window or tab will open, presenting you with the File Manager interface. You'll see a directory tree on the left side and files on the right side. Navigate to the directory where you want to upload the file. You can click on Folders to navigate through the directory structure. Once you're in the desired directory, click on the Upload button located in the File Manager's toolbar. A file upload dialog will appear. Click on the Select File or a Choose File button, depending on the browser you're using. Browse your computer's files and select the file you want to upload. After selecting the file, click the Open button. The file will begin uploading. You'll see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once the upload is complete, the file will appear in the directory you selected. You can now access the uploaded file through your website. Clicking the zip file, look for the toolbar at the top of the File Manager interface and find the Extract, and click on the Extract button in the pop-up window. This will begin the unzipping process. Wait for the extraction process to complete. In the Databases section, click on the MySQL Database Wizard. Provide a descriptive name, click on the Next Step button to proceed. Enter a username and a strong password for the database user. Make sure to note down these credentials for future reference. Click on the Create User button. The next step involves assigning privileges to the user. You can select the All Privileges option to grant the user full access to the database. Back to File Manager, configure Epaper project files and locate the config directory. Inside it, you'll find a file called protected/config/db.php. Edit database configuration. Open the db.php file and modify the following configuration parameters with the appropriate values. Replace your database name with the name of the database you created in cPanel, and your username and your password with the respective credentials you set up for the MySQL user. Save the changes. Save the modified db.php file. Locate the Databases section. Click on a PHPMyAdmin or a similar option. This will open PHPMyAdmin in a new browser tab. Select the database. In PHPMyAdmin, you'll see a list of databases on the left-hand side. Click on the database where you want to import the SQL file. This will expand the database and display its tables. Choose Import. Once you've selected the desired database, look for the Import option in the top menu bar and click on it. Look for an option called PHP version or something similar. Click on it to proceed. You should now see a list of available PHP versions. 7.1 or 7.3, choose the version you want to switch to from the drop-down menu. Click Multi-PHP INI Editor, click on the drop-down menu to view the available editor options. This mode offers a more advanced interface that allows you to modify a wider range of PHP directives. After selecting the desired editor mode, click on the Apply button to save your changes.
Please subscribe the channel to get the next video. Welcome to myhostit.com.